Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Now if you're like me and you're up late at night scrolling through crypto Twitter, every now and then you end up stumbling upon some post that you happen to see and want to like. Now one such post that I happened to stumble upon tonight that piqued my interest was a post by this dude as well as this company. Now for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to show you what this guy would have posted. Just 3 hours ago, he would have said that he made a Lightning integrated website for tipping digital content, memes, art, articles, etc. Now, I was like, that sounds interesting. So I wanted to go ahead and check it out. Now, of course, this guy is a Bitcoin only person, you can tell, with the laser eyes. So you know for sure that this is going to be purely Bitcoin focused, which is perfect, alright. Everyone has their preferences in the crypto space. But let's check out his website, JunkBite.com. Now this is what the website looks like. You can tell it's kind of new. There's still some web design elements that need to be tidied up, but registering for the website was fairly straightforward and easy. You just need a username, password, and email. But since I already signed up, I'm just going to click here and log in. Now when you log in, the first thing you see would be your own posts. If you go to explore content, you go to the main page where you can see everyone's posts. So here you see a myriad of different posts and memes made by a variety of persons who have used the platform. Now at first glance, this website looks like a basic message board or forum website where different community members can get together and post whatever they like on the platform. You have the ability to bookmark a post, like it, or even comment under it. You can sort the content based off of the day, the week, month, or how many hearts, comments, or if it's the newest post on the website. But you may be wondering what this word sats or what this lightning bolt symbol means. Now for those who don't know what that is, a sat is a shorthand for Satoshi, and a Satoshi is a basic unit of a Bitcoin. Now one whole Bitcoin can be subdivided into 8 decimal places, and therefore a sat is 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. And this lightning symbol that you see here refers to the Lightning Network, which is a second layer network that runs on top of Bitcoin that allows you to send Satoshis from one person to another. So basically what I'm saying is that on this particular platform, not only can I give a virtual like and comment, but I can actually send someone value using the Lightning Network directly on this platform. In other words, if I find this post interesting and I really like it, I can actually send the person a monetary tip in the unit of Satoshis. So once I click on this lightning symbol, as you can see, I have the ability to set the amount of sats that I want to send. In this case, I'm going to send 100 sats, and I'm going to zap that to him. Now what's going to pop up is a Lightning QR invoice. I will copy this invoice and I'll open my Lightning wallet. In this case, I'm going to use Blue Wallet. Now the wallet already detects that I have an invoice copied to my clipboard, so I can always go and click OK. But before I go ahead and make that payment, I just want to say that if you want a proper tutorial on how to use and install Blue Wallet, I have a previous video where I talked about using the Fold app. I'm going to put it in the link in the description, and in that video I walked you through how to install the Blue Wallet as well as how to put funds on the Lightning Network. And I have other videos that I will also put in my description that you can check out. Blue Wallet is an excellent Bitcoin only wallet. And as you can see here, I would have used this particular wallet to make many Amazon gift purchases in the last couple of months using the same Fold app. So feel free to check out that video. Now I'm going to go and click OK. And here is the screen where I will go to pay that invoice. 100 sats is approximately 3 cents at this present moment, 3 US cents. If you're in the Caribbean, of course, you would convert that to your local currency. So once I click pay, authenticate. Now what's supposed to happen is that it's supposed to say transaction complete. I'm going to go back to the website. I should see the invoice as being paid, yada yada. But what is happening here is that I'm running into a little error. Now chances are this is because the platform is very new, and it could be the fact that the person still needs to update or increase the capacity of their Lightning Network channel. But you get the drift as to how it is supposed to work and how easy you can tip someone on the platform. So let me head back to the platform and close off this invoice for now. I'll try again later on, but for now I'm going to just finish explore the platform. So again, this is the home page where we go to check for anyone that I'm following. You can actually follow yourself, but let me go and follow someone else to show you how it would work. So let me follow the creator and go back to here, and you should be able to see all of our posts. So I can see both mine and his. Now the next thing that you would want to check out would be how to create a post. So I can type what's up, test. I can add a picture file or whatever and click send. And now that post should be on the main dashboard somewhere around. I'll go and check the newest. And once it loads, I should be able to see my post here. Now this particular tab here lets you explore various Lightning Network applications. Right now they're pretty basic. You have one main one where you can actually generate Dank memes. So once I click invoice, it's going to pop up once again. And if I head over to my Blue wallet, I can try to pay this one instead. Let's see if it works. So once I click pay, and this one went through successfully. So once I head back to the platform now, and as you can see here, a random post was generated for me. This was some post that was done on April 18th. And as the instructions did say, all you're doing is just paying to see a random post. You know, you might find a meme that you like, but it's just a gamble. You get a high chance of getting garbage, a low chance of quality. Now, one other thing you can do on this platform is you can actually control the JunkBites Twitter page. You can actually send tweets on behalf of JunkBites, update their banner, or even update their profile image. So therefore, you have complete access or control to their Twitter page if you so choose once you pay a certain amount of Satoshis. Now, of course, you don't have any administrative rights over their account. That'd be plain foolish. All you can do is just post and update their page. But I think it is a neat feature, and who knows, if JunkBites ever becomes popular and gets tens of thousands of followers, then this could be a place where you can actually go and advertise your stuff to the Bitcoin community. Just for fun, I'm going to send a tweet on their platform. I'm just going to write, the plebs are taking over, and click send. Now, of course, an invoice is going to pop up. I head back over to Blue Wallet, paste, pay that invoice. And once it's successful, I go back to the page. As you can see, my post is here. The plebs are taking over. Alright, so again, you have access to tweeting on their own Twitter page, which is neat. Let's see what this is. It says create or complete Lightning bounties. What does that mean? Well, this particular tab, it seems you can create simple tasks that people can go and do and get paid on the Lightning Network. In other words, think of Fiverr or Upwork, but using Satoshis instead to pay the persons. Now, anyone that passes by can see a task, pick it up, go and do it, and once they've completed it, they can get paid for that particular task. And for this kind of website, I think that is quite neat and something that is a little innovative. Now I'm here contemplating whether I should create a simple bounty or not. Well, just to try out the website itself, I'm not going to create a simple task for you guys to go and do. All you have to do is go and like and comment on this video on my YouTube channel when it comes out, and you can stand the chance of winning some Satoshis. Alright, and I must give a description to the task. You have to be the very first person that likes and comments on the video to win the amount of Satoshis. Okay, you're going to win 200 Satoshis. So now once I'm finished writing out the description, I go to click generate bounty. I have to pay that invoice. And once I click pay, authenticate as usual, the transaction should go through on the Lightning Network. Just to make sure, I'm going to refresh my wallet. And there you can see the transaction at the top of the list. But for some reason, it hasn't been paid. So clearly this part of the website still needs some working on, because essentially I just lost 7 cents and I didn't get my bounty posted. But this is to be expected. The website is fairly new, but I still enjoy the idea or concept behind this feature. No, I'm sorry it didn't work, but you can still go and like and comment on the video and help support the channel. And it's probably a good thing that it didn't work, because I forgot to enter the YouTube link for my channel, so it wouldn't have made sense if I had paid and this bounty had gone through in the first place. So now everything is here. If I try it again and it works, at least you know that you can always come here and claim your bounty. Now the last thing that I will go to would be the profile. On this page, you can see all of your activity on the platform. Here are my 2 posts. I can edit my profile, update my password, see any notifications, receive and send satoshis, check my bounties and my responses, check my liked posts and my bookmarks. Now, as you can see here, I would have earned some satoshis from my very first post. So let's see if I can actually withdraw these rewards. So to do that, I would need to paste my Lightning invoice. So I head over to my Blue Wallet. I go to click receive, and I'm going to switch this to satoshis and type in 256 satoshis and create my invoice. All right. Now this is the invoice address. I can copy that to the clipboard, head back over to the website, paste my invoice and submit my withdrawal request. And as you can see, the withdrawal is going to take place. If it hasn't done already, let me go back to my wallet. Hey, it's already there in my wallet. So as you can see, I was paid to my wallet from the platform. So it works. If you're a content creator, you can receive your Bitcoin or Satoshi rewards simply by making excellent posts on the platform. So this basically brings me to the end of this rather unscripted but fun tutorial video. I hope that someone finds value in using this platform, and to all the Bitcoiners out there, at least you know that a platform like this exists. Okay, now if you want to help support this channel, feel free to like, share and comment this video, and if you're feeling generous, I do accept Lightning Network tips. Here is my Lightning wallet address. Now I just want to say thank you for watching. Now if you hit that bell notification, you can keep up to date with all the videos that I will be posting. I generally make tutorial videos like this, where I explore new and exciting platforms in the crypto space. And if you like this content, remember, like, share and subscribe. Once again, this is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Thank you for watching.